Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. The Toyota Tacoma is a popular mid-size pickup truck known for its durability, off-road capability, and reliability. Below are the full details about the red-colored Tacoma, including available trims, performance, features, and pricing. 1. Available trims and pricing, 2024 model. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma is available in multiple trims: SR, base model; SR5, mid-level trim; TRD Pre-Runner, off-road focused 2WD model; TRD Sport, sportier appearance and features; TRD Off-Road, more rugged for off-roading; Limited, luxury-oriented; Trail Hunter, overlanding focused model; TRD Pro, high-performance off-road version. Price range starts around $31,500 for the base SR model and goes up to $55,000 plus for the TRD Pro. 2. Engine and performance. The 2024 Tacoma has multiple engine options: 2.4L turbocharged 4-cylinder, 228 to 278 horsepower, 243 to 317 lb-ft torque. iForce Max Hybrid 2.4L turbo, 326 horsepower, 465 lb-ft torque, available on higher trims. Transmission, 8-speed automatic or 6-speed manual, select trims. Drivetrain, rear-wheel drive, RWD, or 4-wheel drive, 4WD. Towing capacity, up to 6,500 pounds, free. Exterior and red color options. Toyota offers several shades of red depending on the trim: supersonic red, a vibrant, glossy red, available on TRD Sport, Limited, and TRD Pro. Barcelona Red Metallic, a deeper red, available on SR, SR5, and TRD Off-Road. Other key exterior features: LED headlights and taillights. Skid plates, on TRD models. 17-inch to 20-inch wheels, trim dependent. Optional bed lighting and tonneau cover. 4. Interior and technology. Seating, cloth, SR, SR5, or leather, Limited, TRD Pro. Infotainment, 8-inch or 14-inch touchscreen, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Digital gauge cluster, 7-inch or 12.3-inch display, higher trims. Premium audio, JBL sound system, TRD Pro, Limited. Comfort features: heated/ventilated seats, panoramic sunroof, wireless charging. 5. Safety features. The Tacoma includes Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. Lane departure alert. Adaptive cruise control. Blind spot monitoring. Rear cross-traffic alert. 6. Off-road capabilities, TRD Pro and Trail Hunter. Front and rear locking differentials. Fox or Old Man Emu suspension, depending on trim. Multi-terrain select with crawl control, increased ground clearance. Final thoughts. The Toyota Tacoma in red is a bold choice, offering a mix of ruggedness and style. If you want a more sporty look, go for supersonic red. If you prefer a more classic deep red, Barcelona Red Metallic is a great option. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe to our channel.